Hello everyone, friends on the Velar canal. Today I'm going to show you two ways to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or 10. To do this, we will need to go to the search and here go to the internet connection. Here select our internet adapter, click on Properties, select IPv4 Properties, select DNS address and enter Google DNS here. This can speed up the connection to some sites and download from some servers. Click OK. Next, click on the Configuration Yes Advanced Settings. Here we have a power saving mode. So we turn it off and click OK. Accordingly, these steps usually help. You can also go to the Task Manager. And here filter by accordingly the consumption of the internet, your processes, and close them. Right click and close accordingly. That's it. That's the way it's done. Performance, yes, and here you can go to the internet. Also here you can see what is your speed. Well, more precisely what processes and how you are using the internet. That's all. Velar was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.